Various mammals, not just humans, undergo the process of carrying their offspring to full term before giving birth, going through the immense pains of birthing a new life, and then, after the pains comes the joy of the new birth. Animals also goes through the same process, either by laying eggs or actual live birth. Let's delve into an exploration of the miraculous events that unfold in the animal kingdom. The intimate and awe-inspiring moments of birth, from the vast savannas of Africa to the icy realms of Antarctica. Join us on a journey as we unveil 15 extraordinary spectacles of life, where newborns emerge into the world amidst the wonders of their natural habitats. But wait, don't proceed yet. Pause and subscribe so you don't miss out on the viral moments. Nature's theater is set, and the curtains are about to rise on the breathtaking performances of birth that have captivated observers worldwide. Let's begin with the wildebeest in Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. Baby gestation is normally from 8 to 8.5 months. Witness the spectacle of wildebeest giving birth during the annual migration. And once the calf is delivered, the mother begins to lick it. After 6 minutes, the calf is able to stand on its feet and attempts to be nursed. Then we move to the sea turtles with a gestation of 7 to 10 weeks or up to 2 years. Dive into the underwater world of the Great Barrier Reef to witness green sea turtles nesting. These ancient creatures lay their eggs on sandy shores, and the hatching event is a mesmerizing display of nature. The hatchling then struggles to leave the sand shores for the waters, where a swim frenzy of continuous swimming takes place for about 24 to 48 hours after the hatchling enters the water. Next is the elephant seal pupping in South Georgia Island, with gestation period of 7 months. Let's journey to the subantarctic region to observe elephant seals giving birth. After elephant seal mothers give birth, they feed their pups milk for about a month before returning to the ocean to hunt. The youngsters are left on their own, with about 4 to 6 weeks to prepare for their first sea voyage in the spring. And then giraffe calving in Masai Mara, Kenya, with 13-15 months pregnancy. Visit the Masai Mara during the giraffe calving season to witness the elegant creatures welcoming their tall offspring. The mother typically licks and cleans the calf to stimulate its circulation and encourages it to stand up. And then she makes the baby giraffe get up and begins to run after 10 hours of birth, knowing she won't live long if a lion comes along. Let's see the polar bear cubs in Arctic tundra, Canada, with gestation period of 8 months. Explore the frozen landscapes of the Arctic tundra to see polar bear welcome their new cubs into the world. During their first few weeks of life, polar bear cubs nurse most of the time and stay close to their mother to keep warm. We move to kangaroo joey from Australian outback with gestation between 28 and 33 days. Head to the Australian outback to witness kangaroo joeys emerging from their mothers. The young ones are born prematurely and so climbs back into the mother's pouch for further development. Next is the humpback whale calving with gestation period of 11 months. Sail to the warm waters of the Silver Bank to witness humpback whales giving birth. For the first year of their life, they will remain by their mother's side. She nurses calf on high-fat milk by squirting a thick, rich milk into the calf's mouth. The newborn calves display playful behavior alongside their massive and protective mothers. Back to Africa is the African elephants with one of the highest gestation period of up to 22 months. And once the baby elephants, also known as calves, are born, they learn everything they need to know from their mothers, including how to find food, how to avoid predators, and how to interact with other elephants. Then the beautiful seahorse birth in coral reefs with a gestation period of about 30 days. Dive into coral reefs across the globe to witness the unique spectacle of seahorse birth. Male seahorses carry and give birth to their young, making it a captivating and rare event. Here comes the amazing Suriname toad birth of 4 to 5 months gestation. A willing female releases 60 to 100 eggs, and the male fertilizes them and pushes the eggs onto her back, where they stick to her skin. The baby toad on maturity bursts and hatch out of the mother's back. Next is the penguin chicks in Antarctica with 38-42 days gestation. Brave the cold of Antarctica to witness penguin laying its eggs in colonies. The male will care for the chick for several weeks while the female is out hunting and gorging on prey. Penguins, being birds, don't have milk like mammals do. Not left out is the alligator hatchlings in the National Park, USA, with 6 months gestation. Explore the wetlands of the Everglades to witness alligator laying eggs. And even before they hatch, the babies begin to vocalize. This helps the mother alligator to know when her eggs start to hatch. Then she will open up the nest, gently pick up the hatchlings in her mouth, and carry them to the water. The marshy habitat provides a safe haven for these reptilian newcomers. Next is the hippopotamus calves in Botswana with 240 days or 8 months pregnancy. Cruise through the waterways of the Okavango Delta to witness hippopotamus calves being born, and then taking their walk in the forest under the protection of their massive mothers. Almost there is the cow live birth with 279 to 287 days gestation. After the calf is delivered, the cow will expel the placenta. A few hours after birth, the calf is usually moved to its own individual pen. This ensures the best individual care because it's not uncommon for cows to ignore their calves. Finally, we look at the zebra foals in Tanzania with a month's pregnancy. Explore the Ngorongoro crater to witness the birth of zebra foals. As mammals, zebras suckle from their mothers. Most zebras are fully weaned at between 7 and 11 months of age. Zebras' foals begin grazing when they are 1 week old. As we draw the curtain on this captivating journey, we find ourselves humbled by the intricate tapestry of life that unfolds in the animal kingdom. These 15 events of animal births have not only revealed the diversity of reproductive strategies, but also underscored the resilience and adaptability of life on our planet. From the playful antics of polar bear cubs, each birth is a testament to the beauty and complexity of nature. Thanks for watching, subscribe and share.